Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a back to school makeup tutorial for you guys on this look right here. This was a really easy, beautiful, glowy, glossy makeup look that I created today. So in this video, I'm actually also going to be testing out a new product in my makeup collection, and that is the Alleyoop Stack the Odds makeup product. So this is basically a makeup trio that comes with 3 cream products. It comes with a highlight, a blush, and a contour, and I thought, why not try this product out while I create a back to school makeup look, because this is easy. It has everything you need in one. So that's what I did today. If you guys are interested in knowing what my honest thoughts are on this new Alleyoop product, and if you're interested in knowing how it performs and if it's worth it or not, and if you're interested in knowing how to create this makeup look that I'm wearing right now, make sure to keep on watching. Now, before we jump into the video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, so I already went ahead in and I moisturized my face, and now I want to go ahead in and prime. So for primer, I'll be using the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. So next up, I'm going to do just a little bit of color correcting. I want to correct some of the darker areas of my face, so that would be under my eyes and just around my mouth and any other little kind of acne scars that I see along the way. And you don't need too much product. The product that I'll be using is the MAC Prep and Prime Peach Lustre Color Correcting Stick. So next up, I want to go over top of all the areas that I color corrected with some concealer, and I love to use the Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline, and I'm in the shade Sand. I'm just going to blend this all out with a beauty sponge. And whatever excess product is on my face, I'm not being afraid to just kind of buff that out onto the remainder of the face, just so it looks really nice and effortless. So next, I'm jumping in to the star of the show today, and that is the Alleyoop Stack the Odds makeup product. So this is basically a multi-use face stacker, 3 cream shades to play kind of product. It has a highlight, a blush, and a contour in here. These are all cream products, and I got the shade Sassy Pants, and I'm really excited to give this a shot. So this is what the product looks like, and if you go ahead in and open it, you will see the highlight shade first. I did go in and swatch these products just the other day as I was kind of preparing the video that I wanted to film, but I did not try it on my face yet, so we're gonna actually give it a shot today. So that's why you'll see just a little bit of fingerprints maybe on there. I was just swatching it because I was curious. So there is the blush shade. I think that's such a gorgeous blush color. Definitely a color that I usually gravitate towards, so I'm really excited to try it out. And lastly, if you turn the last kind of piece of the product, you will see the contour shade. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is jump into the blush. I'm gonna go ahead in with my brush and just take a little bit of this product, and I'm gonna just go right into my face. Ooh, whoa, that is very bright. So if you guys are not new to my channel, you would know that I'm not a fan of cream products. I don't typically use cream products, but you know, when I got this in my BoxyCharm, I was like, okay, this is a sign from the universe that I need to try and be more open towards cream products. So that's what we're doing in this video, and I know cream products is definitely something that people love for every day, and for a back to school makeup look, I figured if this is a good product, definitely it would be worth it because it has everything you need in a product. So yeah, so far I am really liking this blush color. I do feel like I went in just a little bit too harsh, but that's not a problem. We are going to blend it out. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm just going to soften out the blush. That is looking really nice. I definitely like the tone of this blush. I feel like it's definitely a me kind of color when it comes to blushes. All right, that is looking a lot better. So I'm gonna move on to the next shade. I'm gonna go ahead and contour. I know usually you're supposed to contour, blush, and highlight, but I really wanted to jump into blush first, so that's what we did. So next up is the contour shade, and I'm going in with a angled brush, and I'm gonna take just a little bit of this product on my brush right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just contour out my face. And what I'm doing is I'm just tapping. That is looking really nice. So far, loving the cream products, you guys. So the very last thing I'm going to do is jump into the highlight, and I'm going to add this onto the high points of my cheeks and also a little bit down my nose, the bridge of my nose, the tip, and also my cupid's bow. I'm just gonna go in with my finger to do this. I'm gonna just dab, dab, dab and go down the high points of my face. And that is looking absolutely lovely. I find that this highlight is definitely a little bit more on the cool toned side, but I still nonetheless really do like it. Usually my highlights are more on the warmer tone, goldeny side, but I mean, I can't complain. This is beautiful. So I'm going just a little bit down the bridge of the nose, and then also just a little bit on the tip right there. Wow, okay, I am loving how this is looking, but we definitely need to go ahead and set the entire face in place because we just have a bunch of cream products on our face right now, and they're gonna move around if we don't set them. So what I'm gonna do first is I want to go in with a little bit of my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm going to apply this onto my under eyes as well as a little bit on my forehead and my chin, and I'm going to blend that out and set it in place with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in the shade Pound Cake, and then we're going to go in and start setting the blush, the contour, and the highlight just to make sure everything holds itself throughout the day. I'm going to take a little bit of setting powder and also set the lower part of my face because of course we didn't set that either. There's just a little bit of concealer there. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe away the setting powder because it's all done setting on my face. I'm just gonna dust a little bit of the setting powder on my lids. So I do want to go back in with the contour shade and just contour out my face a little bit more. And I'm gonna keep doing the same thing that I did where I just tap up and down kind of the hollow point of my face. I'm using the NARS Laguna bronzer to set the contour. And for powder blush, I have the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Seduce. I'm also gonna apply just a tad bit on my chin. I do want to clean up the cheeks a little bit, so I'm taking a little bit of setting powder and I'm just going to clean up the edge like that. I'm just taking my brush with a little bit of setting powder and I'm gonna dust that away. And lastly, I need to set the highlight in place. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby Highlight, which is this one right here. So like I mentioned, my highlights are usually more on the warmer side, so you can see this one is a lot warmer, but it's definitely snatching on to the cool toned highlight that I applied, and it's definitely popping on the face. I want to go ahead and do my brows, and for brows I'm just going to use the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 4, and I'm just going to brush out my brows with this. So next I want to jump into eyes. I definitely want to keep things really simple because it's a back to school makeup look. So I think today I'm going to do just a little bit of mascara on the eyes, and I'm going to use one of my current favorite mascaras, and it's an affordable mascara as well, and that is the Maybelline New York Green Edition Mascara. Lastly, I need to go in and do my lips. I'm going to do a signature look that I absolutely love for every day, and that's going to also look really nice with the blush, and it's perfect for back to school. So first off, I like to line my lips with the ColourPop Lippie Pencil in the shade BFF4. Next I'm going in with some lipstick, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Supermodel. This is a matte finish. So lastly, I'm gonna go in with some gloss because I want my lips to be really nice and glowy and glossy to match how my face is looking right now. The base is looking pretty glowy, so I want to match that energy. And to do so, I'm using the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip, and this is in the shade Coconut. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So overall you guys, I'm actually very impressed with this product. I really enjoyed using it. I feel like it's definitely a high quality product. You guys saw the pigment and you saw how easily it blended on my face, and overall the finishing look is that I look amazing. I look glowy. I look like I have nice kind of a flush of color on the face from the blush. So it's definitely a good product, and I definitely like how you have everything you need in one product. So it's definitely convenient for every day, whether you're going back to school like what this video was for, or if it's back to work or anything of that nature. For every day, you are going to really enjoy this product. So I'm definitely obsessed. I definitely think you guys should give this product a shot and check out the other shade ranges as well. They do have 2 other ones, so yeah, I definitely like it. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to check out my makeup tutorials playlist. I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. Everything that I used on my face today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!